God sent His Son, Jesus Christ. He came to love, heal, and forgive us. He bled and died to buy my pardon. As per the scriptures, Ezekiel 36:26 says, I will give you a new heart and put a new spirit in you. I will remove from you your heart of stone and give you a heart of flesh. And by the crucifixion of Jesus, He made His word with the human being. Saint Paul, writing to Romans, we know that our former man was crucified with Him, so that the sinful body might be destroyed and we might no longer be enslaved to sin. I have no sorrows because He has taken everything on His cross. I cannot hate anyone because He loves me, and I am joyful now as He lives for me. No more greed in me, as He given Himself on cross. Why should I fear, since my Savior lives? I was stressed, but by His peace I live forever.